Welcome to the Spread Hunter Daily Safari for Tuesday, April 3rd. Volatility continues unabated. The SPY moves that we are seeing almost daily were unimaginable over the last 2 years. For example, going back to this past Wednesday, which was the final day of the quarter, the S&P was about 265. Well, 26,500. The SPYs were 265. They closed the day at 260-270. On Thursday, which was the first day of April, the SPYs opened down right out of the gate and proceeded to drop 7.5 points. That's 75 points in the S&P futures and over 750 points in the Dow to the low. Call options that started the day $1 to $2 will now reduce to pennies, and puts of any and all strikes jump to life. Now I want to talk about the number of expirations in the SPYs. With 3 expirations a week in the SPYs, I don't think there has ever been a time where there's been more leverage and more inexpensive options on the put and the call side. Even with the VIX at this elevated level, there are options sitting there that are well under 10 cents up and down the grid. And let me give you an example of that. We came in today. The SPYs opened up from the lows of Monday, which were down around 255. They ran up all the way to 59 on the opening. Sold off all the way down to 57, and it looked like the bottom might fall out of the market. And it turned around and started to rally. But the thing that I want to point out here is that this spread here that you see, this 65.68, this is a $3 or a 30-point S&P spread, was trading around 20. It was trading around this price on Thursday at the close. It opened up right away at this price, and it proceeded to drop. It dropped so much that the 65 calls that you see here were down to a penny. And the other part of the spread, the 68 calls, were obviously offered as they are here, and the 67s. The 66s were at a penny. The 65s were, as I said, they were 1, 2, probably you would have had to pay 2, but you never know. You could have got them for a penny. They proceeded to rally this afternoon all the way up to this level. The 65s traded from 2 cents to 24 cents in a matter of maybe 2 hours. It's really unimaginable moves in the underlying that is propelling this. And anybody with, I don't want to be insulting, half a brain and a little appetite to buy some stuff, whether it's on the put side or the call side, because the same thing is happening in the puts. You can catch these bounces, and even if you're wrong, I mean, this, as I said, this option started the day yesterday at 24 cents. It dropped to 2 cents, and then it rallied back today to 24 cents. So, I mean, I don't know any other way to say it than the opportunities are second to none, and anybody with a few $100s in a trading account can get engaged and buy and sell these things. If you have less than 25,000, as you know, you have to hold the trades overnight. But I mean, it's not that hard, and there are so many examples of this that it boggles the mind. So let's see if this continues, as I think it will continue for some time. Good trading. Bye now.